Hello, today we will guide you through how to set and use price alerts on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to quickly create an alert so you're notified when an asset reaches a price you care about. Price alerts are helpful for tracking opportunities without constantly watching the screen, and they're easy to set up. Start by opening the Trading 212 platform in your browser or the mobile app and signing into your account. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap or click that to open the main navigation. From the menu, choose Price Alerts. This is where all of your existing alerts will appear, and it's also where you can create new ones. Next, select Add to begin creating a new alert. You'll see a search bar and a list of instruments. Use the search to find the asset you want to track. This could be a stock, ETF, or a supported instrument shown in your account. When you see the one you're interested in, select it to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter the target price. Type the value at which you'd like to receive a notification. Take a moment to confirm the currency and the current price, so your alert is set at a realistic level. If you see an option to specify whether the alert should trigger when the price goes above or below your target, choose the one that matches your plan. This helps avoid accidental triggers when the market moves quickly. When you're satisfied with the details, confirm by selecting Set Price Alert. The alert will be saved, and you'll return to the Price Alert screen where you can review it. From here, you can also edit or delete alerts later if your strategy changes. A few quick tips to get the most from alerts. Consider setting multiple alerts around key levels so you're notified if the market approaches, tests, or breaks through your targets. Keep in mind that prices can move differently during extended hours, and alerts typically trigger based on available market data. To make sure you never miss a notification, check that push notifications are enabled on your device and within the app settings. That's it. Your price alert is now active. Whenever the asset reaches your chosen level, Trading 212 will notify you so you can decide whether to act. Thanks for following along, and happy monitoring.